Haha.
Tom, come here, please.
Yes, Dad?
We are going to the doctor today.
The doctor? Why?
You need a vaccine. It helps you stay healthy.
Oh. Is it scary?
Just a little bit. Like a small pinch.
Don't worry, Dad. I am not scared. I am a big boy.
Are you okay, Tom?
Yes, I am great. I am a superhero.
Good. Superheroes are very brave.
I am the bravest boy in the world. I don't cry.
I am proud of you.
We need to wait here. Look. Look. A train set.
Do you want to read a book?
No, thank you. I am busy being brave.
Tom, please come in.
Okay, here I go.
Hello, Tom. How are you today?
Hello. I am brave.
That is wonderful. Let's check your heart.
That is cold.
Yes, it is. Now, let's look at your arm.
He said he is not scared. He lied.
Dad? Oh. That is a needle.
Look at the picture on the wall, Tom. Tell me what you see.
I see a blue dog.
Good. And finished.
Ouch. It hurts.
It's okay, Tom. It's over. You did it.
help it.
That is okay. Even superheroes cry sometimes.
Tom, you were very good. Here is a gift.
A star? For me?
Yes, because you are a brave patient.
Look, Dad! I have a gold star! That was easy.
Oh? Really?
Yes! I want to come back tomorrow.
Maybe next year, Tom.